Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On this episode, I want to show you how I make my whole roast chicken, which is really simple and easy and yet delicious. Let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need one whole chicken, skin on. What did I do is pat dry, just take a napkins or a paper towel and just dry the chicken completely. Some vegetable oil, this is a granny mustard, or you can call it mustard paste. This is still broth. And then for the spices, I have granulated onion, granulated garlic, paprika powder, chili powder, pepper, salt. That's it. You can see how simple is this ingredient and how tasty it's gonna be. It's gonna be divine. I have a bowl here which I'm gonna go make a paste. First thing goes is all the spices. All right, give this all a mix and then add your mustard and the vegetable oil. This is about 2 tablespoons. And then just mix until you get a really good paste. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And now, for me, I'm gonna go make 2 chicken right now. One is back there. But for the recipes that I'm gonna give you, it's gonna be for 1 whole chicken. And this is about 2.5 pound to 3 pound. So I'm gonna divide this paste into 2. So the half is going here and the rest is going to my other chicken, which for later. So all you're gonna do is put the paste here and then make sure you wash your hands. So now you're gonna work with your hand. If you have a kitchen gloves, you better use that because your hand gonna get gonna catch a little bit of color, but that's fine. I'm gonna wash it. And I just can't work with gloves with this paste. So what you're gonna do is just rub the paste around the chicken. You try to open the skin, come close. Open the skin, not completely, and then try to put the paste inside, and then on top of the skin, just move the spices just like that. So you will see it will move everywhere. So just keep doing this until your chicken has been rubbed properly with this paste all around it and nicely, like really well. All right, this is nicely done. You can see how dirty my hands get. And I did flip the chicken over and open the skin here as well, both sides, up and down, and put the spices inside and just rub your finger on top so the spices can move everywhere. And then I did put some inside as well. So now I'm gonna go wash my hand and put the chicken to bake. My chicken was in the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes on a preheated oven of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is nicely and golden brown. This is how it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is what I like to do, just to be a little bit fancy. Just drop some fresh coriander. Also want to put some on the plate as well. And that's it. This is going to serve with a special rice. If you have desire to see more recipe for rice, then let me know in the comments below. I will do that for you on my upcoming video. And I will see you next time. Hope you like this video. Hope you like this recipe. I will see you next time. Click the link down below for full written recipe. Bye.